Guys, if you please send your questions on this chatting position, that will be better for me. Okay. Just 1 second. I will start the class. Just let all them come. Okay. Then I'll share my screen. I'll share. Guys, can you see my screen right now? The Photoshop is open. Guys, can you share my? Can you see my screen? That is Photoshop is open in here. Hmm. Okay, okay. Everybody came, right? Should I start the class? Everybody, please switch off your microphone. There you can. We will meet you with this chat position, and I will take your questions on this chat position only. Okay. So I'm starting the classes, right? Everybody is clear right now. If you want to ask something, you can ask here. Okay. I'm just opening the chat position and just I'm making this Photoshop position properly settle down. Is it okay? Okay, I'm starting the class. See, uh, as per your syllabus, that I have to complete this storyboard section in 1 day. But as per my special permission I took from your authority, that I can complete this introduction to storyboard in Photoshop, this portion, for 4 days. Okay, there will be particular four assignments will be there. You can see this assignment. Okay, say it is assignment 12 A, B, C, like that, right? Okay, so we will change it accordingly. Okay, we will learn this Photoshop storyboard portion. Okay, in steps. Okay, so I am giving you all the assignment for these 4 days. Okay, so the things will be easier to you, I think so, that you can understand the portion where we have to change. See, this is the assignments. This is the assignments. Okay, so you can the deadline will be is first first July. See, you have 12 days. Okay, So you can make it correction, you can make everything from me. So the deadline is 1st July. The assignments are this. Okay, and first I have given these assignments, you can check it. Okay, so today I will start this storyboard section. Yesterday on WhatsApp I gave you some stories, like, have you seen the stories? How many stories are there? Anybody can reply, or anybody can chat on reply on this chat. How many stories are there? How many stories are there? Anybody can reply, or anybody can just guess me which kind of, how many stories are there? Just I want to see that you people has info has seen these stories or not. Hello guys, are you there? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Am I audible to you, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
But what are the other things? Oh, okay, okay, I got it. Actually, I thought that I am disconnected. Okay, no, have you got these assignments? Everybody, please copy it on your desktop or wherever it is, and submit it before 1st July. That's a very simple one. Okay, so that will be a full interactive class today. You will have to answer. Okay, you have to answer anyhow. Whom I am talk, you have to answer. Okay. Today, see, I have gave you lot of stories. From there, we have to make the storyboard. What is storyboard? Can anybody explain what is storyboard? Anybody? Gaurav, what is storyboard? Gaurav, are you there? Or you are sleeping? Gaurav, are you sleeping? Hello, Gaurav. So what about your microphone? Open your microphone and give an answer. What is the storyboard? What do you think? What should be a storyboard is? Do you have any idea what is storyboard, or what's your first impression when you listen the word is storyboard? Gaurav, give me the answer.
Which explains the story.
Please explain the story. Yes. How? How the story explained? Sadev Khan, do you have any clue how this story explained here? By illustration. Ah, yes, by illustration. Not for not only by the illustration, lot of things are there, but it's good. What's the purpose of the story? Why? Why we need a storyboard? Any guess?
To visualize the story before going for post production.
Uh, Post production. No, the word is wrong. It
Before post production.
okay. It's a post production. It's only production. Post production different things. Post production, the editing thing is the post production. So, yes, quite right. But there is one more thing is also involved in here. See, any story, okay, any story can be written, can be explained by the writer as well as the director and someone else. Okay, by the storyboard, we can read the director's mind or the storyteller's mind, that what he is thinking at the time when he was writing this story, or or the director is just listening the story, what type of thought he has, that he can explain through storyboard. Okay, that's why the storyboards are so dynamic, so changeable. I mean, in my experience, when I was in a storyboard artist in Bangalore, just 4 years back, on 2016. That time, uh, I was working with a company. Just I don't want to take the name of the company, who are doing explainer video. Like they are using stories for explain some uh, students documents, student classes, student subjects, some engineering subjects, some science subjects. This kind of things that was explainable by this. um, Sadev, you're the clever one. Yes, yes, yes. I was. So the time that time I was working with them. The storyboard artist's work was really hell, because there there lot of changes are there. I mean, when I am showing my storyboards to the seniors, this is no, it's not happening. You should go in a different way. Again, I have changed this kind of 7 8 times. I changed. Then the storyboards got approval from director. Okay, so it's not. And what happened, after this kind of changes, the things became really nice. Till now, my team leader also called me sometimes. Ajay, you left the storyboard. The storyboard things has gone. They are some people are really, um, I mean, making, what I can say, mess with the storyboard. Okay, so this is the importance of a storyboard artist. In West Bengal, okay, there are some studios are there who have whose work only in storyboard. They do not make any other things. They just make only the storyboards. Okay, that is their work. So Bloody scam, very nice. Okay, so this is a storyboard artist job, and it is the most prestigious job. Why? Because when a storyboard artist draw something, when a storyboard artist can explain his own thought as well as the director's thought, on storyboard artists who are dependable, uh, the animators are dependent, texture artists dependent, lighting artists dependent, lot of people are dependent on the storyboard artist. Okay, so always the storyboard artists have a special, you can say, special features in studio. You know, in Byju's, 80% students, 80% not student, 80% employee work for 10 to 8 hours, 10 to 12 hours. Only the storyboard people works for 6 hours. Really, because they have the capacity to make the things happen. So they have some special, what I can say, special permissions or special privilege to work there. Okay, so storyboard is one of the main thing that makes a things happens. Okay, previously you may know the name of Satyajit Ray, right? Previously in India, you can say, in realistic movie, Satyajit Ray was the first person who bought storyboard for his movie. Okay, these storyboard things are really great thing. Try to learn it more and practice it more. It will be better. I will show you how to make a storyboard. Okay, first I will make the storyboard, then I will show you the what kind of knowledge that you have to gain to become a good storyboard artist. Okay, so yesterday I gave you some stories. From these stories I will make some storyboard from there. Okay, before all, I want to show you, and I want to bring some panels that can be easily available by internet, or else you can make it by yourself. Okay, so let's take a storyboard panel. Okay, just search for, see, these are called the storyboard panels. These are all the storyboards panels. But in India, the most effectable, I mean, most used storyboard design is this. In India, this kind of storyboard is most storyboard panel mostly used. Okay, so let's save it as we need. We go for day 12 and I will save it. Okay, then I will bring it in here, template 8. See, it has come. You can get it by net. Okay, very simple things are there. This is not that much complicated, but I'll show you what type of things, what type of knowledge you have to gain to make a good storyboard artist, to be a good storyboard artist. Okay, so before that I will take a, okay, let's minimize the thing, and just I want to take some questions from yours. If you have questions, please put on there. Okay, sir, one question: are you going to upload this session on YouTube? I am asking because it's raining here and the net connection could be stopped anytime. Yes, I will. I will say upload it at the evening. Evening means nearly 7 o'clock. Okay. Okay. Am I audible to you guys? Everybody can listen me. Everybody can listen. Guys, are you there or not? All are gone. Okay, good, good, good. Everybody is there. So let me in. Okay, who is this? Krishna. Okay, Krishna. Krishna, how are you? Krishna, please. Anybody can inform Krishna to send another request and here. Then I will let him come. Okay.
Sir, I am already in.
Oh, good, good, good. Krishna. So Krishna and other guys. So let's take these stories. Okay. There are a lot of stories. Near about 30 stories are there. Okay. For that reason, I am taking a very smaller one. I am taking number 6. I will show you, and you will. I will show you, and I will tell you the what type of things I have to do, draw in here. Okay. So this is the things that we have to take as a storyboard artist. Okay. Hold a second. Okay. Let's read the story first. The story name is The Greedy Lion. So our project name, there will be a project name. The project name will be The Greedy Lion. Right? See? Here, other things are there. There is no writer. There is only one moral story that will tell that will tell it later. That is page of Ato. Which one? See, this is the page 1. I am going to draw the page 1. And date, that suppose I am giving today's date. Okay, that 18, 6, 20. This 2020 really very dangerous, right? Oh, 2020, we are losing lots of things. We have lost, we just faced Corona, we have lost 4 of this Bollywood star, and lot of things, Pongopal and other and things are coming. Oh my god. Okay, leave it. So, this is the upper portion by this anonymous, I can say. Okay, because we are not dealing with these kind of things, that's why we have to make it. Okay, see, then I will go for it was an incredibly hot day and a lion was feeling very hungry. See, the incredibly hot day. So what I have to do? There I have to show the sun. I am giving you a very simple way of learning. This is a bit complicated in here, but I will tell you what we have to learn to be a good artist, good storyboard artist. Okay, this is the thing. This is a fast panel. So what I have to do? There we have to give. I have to give some instruction. What is this instruction? Sun, sun, and a buried line. Okay, that I have to show the first time. First, when the story start, someone will say this one, these things, and this will be shown. And next, I will be have to say dialogue. What is the dialogue? Dialogue as the first one. Whatever is dialogue is, it was an incredibly hot day. See, I am. It was an incredibly hot day. This kind of understand. You can understand this. Lot of things are happening. And next, what he said, and a lion was feeling hungry, feeling very hungry. Okay, so I have to show a lion. First, we have to show some one cave. Okay, why? Because mainly we have to show this cave. See, here I am also giving some thing that is called camera movement. Suppose this is a cave. Let's make the cave a little dark. So this is the cave. I am making this cave a little dark. Okay, and I will use camera color in here. Sorry, I have to make it white because it is on the black area. See, what is the meaning of this one? The meaning of this is the camera is going left side and the cave is revealing one by one. Okay, whatever it is. Now I have to show the lion. Okay, pardon me because when I am giving this lecture to you right now, I lost my table. That's why I am on the floor and I am giving you this lecture. That's why this drawing things are not perfect. but quite okay. See, now what will happen? See, for the continuity, I have to make these things black, right? Because it is inside the cave. Okay. See, for that reason, what I have made, I have made this. Sorry. See, this lion has become little sorrow for this for his hungriness. This is showing that he is hungry, right? I know this is not looking like lion, but quite some. I think it will be okay to understand these things. Okay. So after this camera pan, it is showing on the second pan. This is on the inside this cave and there. So what the information I have to give? The information will be, let's press this. Let's write this information fast. Okay. So the first information is camera pan cam pan. Okay, right to left. Okay, here cam stop on lion face. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, please put on there. Sir, how many boxes should have for a story? Is there any limit? No, no, no. There is no limit on these story boxes. You can use a lot of pages, like 4, 7, 8, 10, 100,000 pages also there. I'm giving one example. Do you know the movie The Founding Dory? This Founding Dory is was made with the approval storyboard of 18,600 storyboard pages was there. Okay, I think you got it, right? So see, then what you have to do, this again I have to give these things a little more interesting. I have to show this thing, I have to show something. See, I have to show this lion from the back side. Why I am showing this from the back side, I will show you, I will tell you. This is called cinematography. This is called shoulder shot. Okay. See, these and these are mostly similar, right? So what's the information? I will give a shoulder shot, cam, shoulder shot. Okay. Nothing, no action. Only this lion is seeing the empty land. Okay. That is the thing. See. Now I'll go there again. He came out of his den and searched here and there. Okay. So I have to show that he has came out from his den. So what will happen? Here we have to show lion is standing up. So what I have to give? Lion is standing up. Okay. In this way we have completed these 4 panels. and now I have to show he's come out from the den. So again what I will do, I will suppose I will go and I will take a long shot, not long shot, half mid shot. See, for storyboarding you don't have to be a good artist, but for storyboarding you have to be a good thinker, and storyboarding you have to good knowledge. You should have good knowledge of camera, good knowledge of cinematography, good knowledge of lot of things. Okay, see again I will show the den in here of the cave, right? So what I will do, for continuity again I have to black this portion, right? A storyboard artist has a thinker mind, that he or she can manage or can see his brain images. Whatever you listen first, you make an image on your brain, right? But you have to write or you have to draw these images. So storyboard artists should have the power to draw that images. That the images should not have been a very good image or lot of colors, scenes are be there. That the things is not that much necessary, but uh, you should know. Okay, somebody came in here, Abhinesh Kumar. Okay, guys, please, if you have any questions, please put on this chat area. Uh, okay, or else you can, speak out in here. Okay, guys, if you have questions, please don't be uh, afraid of me. I will not come to your place and give you bombard you. Okay, so if you have any questions, please put it there. Okay, here we have to show something that is called the lion is coming out from this from his cave. Okay, so here what I have to give the instruction. I have to give the instruction for I have to give this instruction for lion come out. Okay, just 1 second. Maybe some WhatsApp messages came for me. Let me see this. Okay, no questions. Nothing has come for me. If you have any questions, please speak out. Gaurav, you don't have any questions? Only 3 persons are there. Why the other persons gone? Is everybody listening? Everybody, please say something. Hmm? How the other guys? Okay, very good. So, are you enjoying the storyboard works? This is the basic of a movie making. Okay. Then, what will happen? He came out of his den and searched here and there. He could not find out a small. He could find is only a small here. Okay. Okay. So a small hair he has found. So what I have to do? I have to show one small hair. See, inside the bush. Inside the bush. Yes, sure. So we'll have to do like that. See, I have shown him like this. Okay. So next, what we have to do? Let's see. Someone is questioning in here. I think so. You people are not giving any questions. That is literally fishy. What is happening? Are people are sleeping or not? I don't know. Okay. So what will happen? What the next one? Here we have to give instruction. Here only a here. The instruction will be only here. Okay. Then what will happen? Next we have to show. See these things here. Small hair. He caught the hair with some hesitation. He caught the hair with some hesitation. Okay, he caught the hair. So what will have to show? He caught the hair. First, I will make something like this. See, see here I am not drawing as a very good drawing with a shadow, with a colors, other things. Here I am explaining the story, and the story should be so clear that everybody can understand by these pictures only. Okay. Let I will go somewhere, some spaces I'll show you. Okay. I will draw up to this, then I'll show you something. I'll show you the colors and other things. Not colors, how the shadow, cinematic views, but the other things I'll show you later. Okay. Let's state this one. This hair cannot fill my stomach. Okay. So then I have to go, and here I will tilt the camera. Not tilt. I'm not drawing any realistic things. Okay. See, I have drawn something in here, right? This is called tilt camera. Okay. That means from leg to uh, the face, tilt camera with zoom out. And this is the hair that he caught. Okay. And he is not happy to caught it because he thinks that he has caught a very small hair, so it will not fulfill his hungriness, right? So this is the camera, tilt cam to his face with zoom. Okay. Here, okay, one more thing just I have to complete because otherwise it will not look proper. What we have to show. Okay. Nowadays, there is a special thing happening for the lighting artists who are going for a lighting artist. It is so important. They can see this where the storyboard artist put the light. Okay, let's check. I need to see the questions. Definitely, I will check the questions right now. Guys, if you have any questions, please put on this chat. Otherwise, we cannot cover up this full session. Okay. So, see what I am doing. I am always using a light and shadow portion. See, I am giving a this thing. This is called. I am telling you a cave. They use as a den. Okay, but I am using as a the word is cave. Okay, and see, I am giving a little sense of light and shadow in here. From in here, the light is coming from the outside. Okay, so what will happen there? I will show the light is coming from the front of this lion. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, please put on there, or else you can speak out. I will give you answer by this. Krishna, you don't have any questions. Nobody have any questions. Wow. Or if people are shy to question, are people feeling shy to question me? What happened? Nimisha, Chanda. What happened? Why you are not questioning anything? Okay. See, everybody saying no question, no question. It's clear. Good. So previously, have you got any classes for storyboard? This is your first class of storyboard. Oh, good. See, I am here. Here I am showing the light and shadow portion. Why I am showing this light and shadow portion? It will give the information to the animators or to the what you can say to the lighting artist and where this light should come. Okay, this is the new process or new area in the animation industry. Previously, the light shadow was not that much important for the storyboard artist, but right now, for the storyboard artist, this is so important. Okay, so let's see. Okay, So here this light and shadow things already happen. I am giving this light and shadow area only because of okay, somebody can birds. Okay. See, I have used lot of things, lot of knowledge, different kind of knowledge to make this up to this. See, only I have completed from here to here. Nothing is there. In this 4 to 6 lines, you can find there are 8 different panels are already kept, right? So, what are the knowledge that is important in here? Okay, let's see what are the knowledge. See, for a storyboard, what are the knowledge is important. Let's see. First, I will tell you what are the knowledges are important for a storyboard artist. Number one, that is called cinematography. Anybody is here from BFA or finance background? No, no. Knowledge of light and shadow. Okay. Knowledge of camera, especially angle. Okay. Knowledge of 3 point lighting. Knowledge of 3 act script. These 5 things you have to know, not in depth, but you have to know to be a good storyboard artist. The storyboard artist short form is STB ART. Okay, so these 5 elements you have to know to be a good storyboard artist. What is cinematography? Have you got information about light and shadow? Do you know what is camera angle? What is 3 point light? Okay, what is 3 act script? These kind of things you have to know. In these 4 days, we will complete this. Actually, I'm telling you, I will do the class on Sunday also on the same time. Okay, same time means 1:30. Okay, Sunday I know that Sunday it is. I can say it is not possible to complete to work on Sunday, but I have some time schedule. I have to complete this course in a given time. So I will call you on Sunday. Okay, and please come on class for the Sunday. Okay, don't worry. I will not take that much uh, time for you. I will take maximum half an hour from your side. 1.5 hour, not more than that. Okay. 1 second. Let me take a break. Guys, if you have any questions, I know there are a lot of questions. If you have any questions, guys, please tell me right now. Somebody, yes, no questions and no questions. Oh, there is no question. Everything got understood by yourself. Somebody here, everybody has closed and switched off their mic. I just want to give a questions to you all. Okay. Hmm. Abhinesh Kumar. Abhinesh Kumar, please switch on your mic.
Yes, sir.
Do you think this storyboard is simple for you?
Yes, sir.
Do you know sketching?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So, do you know anything about these steps like cinematography, light and shadow, camera? Do you know these things?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How do you know? I mean, did you have any class for that, or just you know this?
No, no. I watch lot of movies.
Oh, movies. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. So I think I'm expecting a good storyboard from you, right?
Ah, okay, sir.
Okay, we can start. So this is one of the example of storyboard. Tomorrow I will show you some camera angles. What I'll tell you what is the camera angle means in here. Okay. Sorry. Tomorrow I'll tell you what is camera angle means. Okay. Do you know what is the camera angle means? What is the meaning of camera angles? Do you know what is camera angles? Anybody can answer? Shadev, what is camera angle? Ah, no idea, sir. Anybody? Anybody? Josh, do you have any idea? Shadev, I am coming. Josh, do you have any idea about camera angles? Ram Josh. No, sir. Niket, Niket, what is camera angle?
So I think it's a particular location or angle at which the camera is placed on a given shot.
Hmm.
Hello.
A little more explanation.
Yeah, like I have like a rough idea of it. I don't know like much about it, but like I have an idea like maybe it's a particular location or something at which a like camera is placed.
Hmm. Okay. 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 You have completed one particular point for that. Okay. See, the camera angle is things how the viewers has to see, and the director wants to show his story. The medium is called camera angle, and whatever the directors want to show, then what he will do, he will take the camera and he will place somewhere, and he want to show this particular scene from this particular angle to the viewers to give the particular emotion. Suppose uh, Chiranjeevi punching, just give a punch to a villain. Okay. Suppose the director wants to show this punch from the top angle. Okay. So what he will do? He will keep the camera on the top, and Chiranjeevi and the villain will be on the ground, and they are Chiranjeevi is getting a huge punch to the villain. So what's the viewers will see? Viewers will see from the top that Chiranjeevi is just punching to the villain, and also one thing is there, the emotion. That means the pressure, the power. He can show a full power of Chiranjeevi to show it from the top angle. Okay, so the viewers can realize the Chiranjeevi's power from the top view. Okay, this is called the camera angle, and this is the camera angle. And there are a lot of camera angles are there, like mid shot. See, let's see what is camera angles. Let's check some camera angles from the Google. Okay. See, this particular view is from low angle. I mean, we call Arthoam angle. Arthoam means how this Arthoam can see to these two people or to this subject. That is called Arthoam angles. Let's come with this. It is not getting clear. Oh, okay. Save the images. I don't know. Why it is so small? Let's see. One second. Size is too large. I think this can be bigger one, right? Most interesting thing would be this camera angle. For this particular camera angle series, I was punished. You know why? Because in my mind, I was thinking that what I am seeing, that is my camera angle. But the actual thing is a little different. The actual thing is what the director want to show, that is the camera angle mean. Okay. So let's see the picture. Guys, I think we have questions. Maybe we like side view factor. Let's something like that only. See, mainly the camera shots are divided into two specific division. That is called close-up shot, medium, and long shot. Okay. See, this is extreme close-up shot. I mean, it's coming towards the, what I can say, to the particular, suppose hero's eyes want to show. So that will be, okay. Let's see this extreme close-up shot. Extreme close-up shot. See, this is all our extreme close-up shot. See, only this there, the camera is that much close. This retina can be shown. Okay. So if we find this kind of things we can see, we have seen a lot, right? This kind of shots are called extreme close-up shot. Okay, big close-up. Then we'll go for big close-up. See, this is big close-up. I mean, extreme close-up means it's going particular area of a face, but here the full face is coming. Okay. See, let's we go for our own drawing. Can you guess which picture I have drawn with the extreme close-up or big close-up shot? Anyone? Which one? Reply. Reply it with the number. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is the number? Yes. Yes. Oh, good. Amjad. See, I will tell you one more thing. What should be this picture? Okay. Next question will come on this picture. Okay. Let's see the other one. One second. It's 1 hour completed, right? Okay. Should I do it today or tomorrow? We can discuss about your projects, right?
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow will be better, huh? Otherwise, it will be so heavy for you, huh? Okay. Tomorrow we'll do this. Okay. Let's close up today. We will just complete this. What can I say? Mhm. Your projects. Okay. Game background I have seen. Software PS2. Okay. Let's see. I have seen this. Oh, I've seen this one. Okay. So, which one? Okay, good one. Mm, okay, I want to see the next. The same thing you have seen 2 times. Hmm. Yes, I have to say you just maintain this round thing. Okay, you should have to come like this only. It is what happened. There is a vent or tent has been done in here. Other things are okay. Okay. What are the others? Rounds. Rounds. Your works are good. I have got good feedback from others. Oh, your own face you have changed, right? Good. Hair long hair. Good. No. It's not happening. No. This uh, advertise is not good. Change this. Think of different things because all the things what you have made is what is the shadow? How is the light coming from? Is the light coming from the top from the frontwards, so shadow will be very less on any one side, not two sides. What is this? No, it's not done really. It's not open. These things I have shown. This is a good one. Only one thing is there, just use the blending options. If you use the blending options, the sharpness of the shadow will go and it will look good. Okay, I have seen these pictures previously. Okay, so no other things has came. Lijo, you have to change. Just change this thing and think the different things. it is not gone at all. Okay. So guys, do I have to? I need to stop this one. Tomorrow I'll do the camera things, huh? Guys, I have to say bye for you.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay. Bye from everyone. I'm closing, and you will find this video on next on YouTube after 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 7. Okay. So bye.